Understanding amid. Boost your IELTS score with this crucial preposition. Picture yourself walking through a bustling city center surrounded by towering skyscrapers, honking cars, and hurried pedestrians. You are amid the chaos of urban life. Today, we're exploring the word amid, an essential vocabulary item for achieving a band score of 8.0 on the IELTS exam. Word type. Amid functions as a preposition in the English language. Meaning, amid means in the middle of or surrounded by. It is used to describe being in or among something, particularly in the context of ongoing events, circumstances, or physical surroundings. Word history. The word amid has an interesting etymology. It originated from Old English, where it was spelled amid. This term was a combination of one meaning in and midi meaning middle. Over time, it evolved into the modern form we use today. Antonyms. While amid implies being surrounded or in the middle of something, its antonym suggests separation or distance from the center. Some antonyms include outside of, away from, and separate from. Synonyms. There are several synonyms for amid that can help you diversify your vocabulary. These include among, amidst, surrounded by, in the midst of, and in the middle of. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use amid in sentences, showcasing its versatility in different contexts. The rescue team searched for survivors amid the rubble of the collapsed building. The company managed to increase profits amid challenging economic conditions. The politician delivered her speech amid cheers and applause from supporters. Amid the chaos of the emergency room, the doctor remained calm and focused. The hiker found a moment of peace amid the natural beauty of the forest. Common errors in use. When using amid, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't confuse amid with amidst. While both are correct, amid is more common in modern English and preferred in formal writing. Second, avoid using amid with singular nouns. It's typically used with plural nouns or uncountable nouns. For instance, say amid the flowers, not amid the flower. Lastly, remember that amid is a preposition, so it should be followed by a noun or noun phrase, not a verb. To wrap up, mastering the use of amid will enhance your ability to describe complex situations and environments, a crucial skill for achieving a high band score on the IELTS exam. Practice using this word in various contexts to solidify your understanding and improve your overall English proficiency. Remember, amid the challenges of language learning, every new word you master brings you one step closer to your goals.